Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Ahn Co. It's Tuesday, July 23rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Impressive rebound off a key support level for December corn at 424 and closed at 431.5. So 7.5 cents off that important support line that held in D's corn, and everyone was glad to see it. So we have a lack of news right now. You did have yesterday come in here, crop conditions in corn downticked one, which was unexpected. So that started some support into the corn market on the open last night, faded throughout the night, and then into today, it kind of started to build that back in there on that support line. So, right now with a lack of news, you really see technical traders take over, and it was nice to see them hold that. However, the rest of the crops really struggled to get too much of a build in there like the corn market did after closing up 4 cents on the day. Soybeans down 2.5, and then the wheat complex near steady on the day. So lack of trade there. It did come off around midday that U.S. Ag Secretary Perdue came out and said that you should be seeing farmers get a minimum payment of $15 an acre for those crops that were part of the program in mid-August. Now, a lot of details are still coming out. He said they should all be clarified by the end of the week, but that was nice to see that you should be getting at least $15 an acre on those products here in the next about month and a half, and that would be nice to see. Meat markets all had some slight support as well for cattle. Live cattle building off that support from yesterday, over 70 cents higher. Feeders just positive. Lean hogs being the one that caught the biggest bid here, over $2 higher on the day. Outside markets very quiet, except the U.S. dollar is up against recent highs, and that is not a good thing for our U.S. products. As we really outpriced ourselves just in general with a rally in the market compared to other places, especially in the corn market, as there's not really a growing production problem yet. Plenty of places have corn. When that U.S. dollar is a lot higher, that makes our product a lot more expensive compared to other nations' corn, and that comes a little bit problematic, especially when we're already lacking on the export demand. So we'll be watching that to see if it kind of fades at this point where it has the past couple times, or if it builds through that. Other than that, just waiting to see what these weather forecasts do as the next 5 days continue to be dry, and you will be seeing people start to get antsy for some precipitation if it's not built in the next couple days. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk. Loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.